So today's about maximising your conversions on your website. Or, put it another way, how do you get your website firing on all cylinders?
It's now easier for brands to create content. Content helps SEO, content helps your video marketing, it helps everything.
There's no recipe book that you can just follow and say, follow this step and you will suddenly have a highly converting website.
It was really interesting. I think looking at everything from content marketing to website performance and IA.
I think it's so helpful to hear from the experts themselves.
And the fact that Ridgeway are doing something to kind of give back a little bit to markets everywhere is something really good to be a part of.
I think it's always helpful to consider maybe a roadmap over a 12-month period or something like that and map out all these elements. Actually, when are our peak periods, when we think we're going to have these traffic spikes.